Why would a frog be in my kitchen? It's an interesting question. It was early in the morning and something caught my eye. Flicking on the light, I saw a very big tree frog. Woo! The evening prior, in a virtual study group, we were discussing the practice of surrendering. Then it hit me. There's an acronym, F-R-O-G, frog, and it means fully rely on God. I'd say that's surrendering, complete trust. And apparently, Frog really wanted me to absorb this message because he greeted me this morning when I first woke up. He was sleeping on my bedroom windowsill. You just can't make this stuff up. Life is fascinating. Let go of control, surrender, and see what frogs may show up in your life. And join me at an upcoming book study or training program. I'd love to include you.